In this video, I will talk about time reports and the approval of shifts, what they are, how you can use them and manage them, and why they are important. So let's start with the time reports. Time reports is a way for your users to confirm that they have worked the hours and the shift that they have been booked on. If you want to create a time report, you can do this either by clicking on an existing shift and then you click on the button report. You check that all the information is correct and you can put in timecode, for example, or something else. When you're done, you click on save. The other way to do it is to simply click on a day in a user, and then you can create something called an independent time report. You fill out the information, and when you're done, you click on save. Now you have created an independent time report that is not connected to any shift. You can see and manage your time reports in two different ways. Either you can be here on schedule view and you click on a shift that has a time report and you'll see that because they have a little clock icon here on the left. Then you see the green space here, which means that a time report has been made. And if you click on it, you can see all the information about it and you can also edit if something has gone wrong. The other way is to click in the left menu here on time reports. And for the interval that you have chosen, you will now see all the time reports that has been made. And you can see the specific information as well. If you want to change something about a time report, you click on the little pen icon and then you get the same view as you did in schedule view. When you're done, you click on save, or if you want to delete the time report, you click on delete. You can also export the time reports as a list, both in an Excel format or if you want to print it. You can also change what kind of information that will be displayed and hence also exported by clicking on display columns over here. Here you can choose what kind of information from shifts or from time reports that will be visible. Let's move over to the approve. So the approval of shift is basically a way for managers or owners to confirm that the time report that the user has made is correct. And approval of shift is essential if you want to work with payroll or invoicing. So what you're going to do when you want to work with approval of shifts or want to get an overview, you go in the left menu and click on the tab approve. Here you will see all the approved shifts, but you will also see all the time reports and the shift that hasn't got a time report yet. You can approve shifts by clicking on the button here, approve, if you want to do it for a single shift. And then the shift will become green. Or you can click on this icon here, approve everything without warning. And that means it will approve everything for Elizabeth during the interval. You can also click, if you have time reports for all the different users, you can click on this button here, approve everything without warning. If you want to change, for example, approved shift, you click on the button here, and then you have to unlock the shift. Now you can do the changes that you want to, and when you're done, you click on save. Now you have to approve it once again. You can also report a shift that hasn't gotten a time report by clicking on this button here, report. And then you can approve the shift as usual. If you click on the information button, you will see all the information about the approved shift and how it will affect invoice and payroll. Here you can click on this button if you want the shift to be sent for external approval. If you have, for example, another company that's gonna approve it. Similar to the time report page, you can also choose what kind of information that will be displayed, and you can export shifts as an Excel file or print them. Now you know everything there is to know about time reports and the approval of shifts. Thank you for watching.